Welcome to Sociology Visualized. Today we are going to discuss one of the most influential thinkers of the 20th century, Michel Foucault. If Marx studied class and Weber studied authority, Foucault studied power, but in a completely new way. He changed how we understand knowledge, truth, institutions, discipline, surveillance, modern society. Foucault is central to postmodernism and post-structuralism. Background and context. Born 1926, France. Died 1984. Professor at the Collège de France. Influenced by Nietzsche, Structuralism, and French philosophy. Major works. Madness and Civilization, 1961. The Birth of the Clinic, 1963. Discipline and Punish, 1975. The History of Sexuality, 1976–84. Power and Knowledge. Core idea: power is everywhere. Unlike Marx, Foucault did not see power as only economic or located in the state. He said, power is not something that someone has. Power circulates. Power exists in schools, hospitals, prisons, families, language, science. Power and knowledge are connected. Foucault introduced the concept of power in knowledge. Knowledge is not neutral. It is shaped by power. For example, psychiatry defines who is mad. Medicine defines who is normal. Law defines who is criminal. So truth is not absolute, it is socially constructed. Discourse. Foucault introduced the idea of discourse. Discourse equals a system of ideas, language, and practices that shape how we think. Example: medical discourse defines disease. Legal discourse defines crime. Sexual discourse defines normal/abnormal sexuality. Discourse controls what can be said and what cannot be said. So power works through language. Discipline and surveillance. From his famous book Discipline and Punish. Panopticon. Foucault uses the idea of the Panopticon, designed by Jeremy Bentham. Structure. Circular prison. Watchtower at center. Prisoners never know when they are watched. Result. Prisoners discipline themselves. This is modern society. Today. CCTV. Social media. Online tracking. Schools' attendance systems. We behave because we feel watched. This is called disciplinary power. Power works not by violence, but by observation and normalization. Biopower. In the history of sexuality, Foucault introduced biopower. Earlier power equals power to kill, sovereign power. Modern power equals power to manage life. Biopower controls birth rates, population, health, sexuality, public hygiene. Government controls populations through statistics, surveys, census. Power works at the level of life itself. Governmentality. Foucault introduced governmentality equals art of governing. Not just political government. It includes schools shaping citizens, hospitals regulating bodies, families disciplining children. People govern themselves. Modern individuals internalize rules. Foucault and Postmodernism. Foucault rejected universal truth, grand narratives, objective knowledge. He argued, truth changes across history. What is normal today may be abnormal tomorrow. Example: homosexuality once considered disease. Today recognized as identity. Truth is historical. Method: genealogy. Foucault used genealogy, inspired by Nietzsche. Genealogy studies how ideas develop historically, how power shaped knowledge. Instead of asking, is this true? He asks, How did this become true? Criticisms. 1. No clear theory of resistance. 2. Overfocus on discourse. 3. Ignored economic class. Marxists criticize him. 4. Too relativistic, but still extremely influential. Relevance today. Foucault in the digital age. Social media surveillance. Data tracking. Biometric identification. Aadhaar system. Health monitoring apps. We live in a digital panopticon. Even Instagram likes shape behavior. Conclusion. Why Foucault matters? Power is not only in government. Knowledge is political. Truth is constructed. Modern society disciplines individuals. We are both controlled and self-controlling. Foucault teaches us to question normality. He asks us, who defines truth? Who benefits from it? How are we shaped by invisible power? If you found this lecture helpful, do like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.